Dawn breaks over the Cherating beach on the eastern coast of Malaysia. I've come to the first eco nature resort by the Club Med chain of resorts to experience whether going green takes away any of the fun of going on holiday. For me, a good holiday has to be a good balance of experiencing new, exciting things, as well as slowing down and just soaking in the moment. So I'm on the Cherating beachfront, bright and early for a light session of early morning yoga. Now that we've soaked in the moment, let's get out there and see what this eco resort has for us to do.